concept, the design, and then the final views we have designed. So, I mean, this is all something that you already know, but I still
It's nice to know.
Yeah,
if you
better.
are showing it to somebody
Yeah.
else, then for donation or anything, then they may not know.
Can you see from there, or you want to come closer?
You cannot read maybe.
I'll sit here.
You sit there, I'll take the chair.
नहीं इधर
Okay.
मेरा भी चश्मा नहीं है रहने दे
It was a mild stroke which came as a stroke and now it is settled.
It's fine आंटी तो
So the
मैं
doctor said that it happened.
Yeah, also come close. Yep.
She said actually come
Yeah, she did. I thought maybe it would be just pictures.
thought like a
Reverse it.
little
Anyway.
Yes.
Don't sit. It's broken. Oh my God. Thank God. So you got to be. Sit here.
You want this?
No, fine.
All sorted as of now. It's all
Okay.
So
What do
this
we-
is where Dholka is. We all know it's about 1 hour 9 minutes drive from Ahmedabad, 39.1 kilometers. That's the closest airport in Ahmedabad, and it's connected by a rail network, and it has a station of its own. And Dholka is connected where it has a bus terminal of its own, and it has buses everywhere.
Yeah, be fixed.
Gujarat.
Fine. Just sorry. I just sit here. Yeah, second.
It's got a rich history of monuments and culture, and it is like it has Hindu manifestation where talking about Pandavas, and we also have mosques, and there is that 12th century Muhammad Idrisi mosque. So this one, this one, which we went to see, and then it's got
The Khan Masjid.
the Khan
the Khan Masjid, and then it's got this mosque which is
No, that's the
Khan
temple.
mosque, okay, and it's got the Swaminath temple, so it's
Kalikund.
rich in both,
Yeah.
Kalikut.
both Hindu-Muslim history.
dead weight.
That is the new Swaminarayan temple.
Oh,
Swami.
I've not seen all that.
And then these are
Don't
the
miss it. It's
Yeah?
in the approach.
basically it's like the sex ratio is very bad, 870 women, 2,000 men.
Okay.
Mostly the population is rural, and I mean, this is about the entire
The whole district.
And the occupation is mostly 42% of them are workers. There is farm labor of 16%. There are cultivators 8%, and there are some other marginal workers who keep floating around. So that makes about 34% of the population.
Sure. We'll have
And
we'll have
there are few Hindus are 86%.
Where do you get all this from?
Wikipedia.
No, we are never take anything from Wikipedia.
Okay.
Achha, multiple sources.
And 1% are other religions, but they're pretty much like the countries devoted. And
Swati is
basically, we've got, in population, like it is the total population, men, women, literacy, men are higher than women, and cultivators, there are very few female, only men and women in that profession. Labor, we have mostly men, very few women, and households are managed mostly by
Men.
men. Okay, what is available in Dholka is what you see in yellow, which is good. The schools are good, okay, but there is a higher education is not available, and there is retail etc. which is there in Dublin, shopping etc. is there, but you don't have the branded retail which we have in Ahmedabad or
Cities.
Yeah. Then medical facilities are not good there, and whatever is there right now is crumbling. And when we spoke to people said that they needed diagnostic facilities, and actually most of them wanted a hospital, but we said that the hospital, we don't have land and we don't become
Okay.
a big,
Big project.
Yeah.
manage it and all that.
Lot
is
of
difficult.
permissions and everything. Yeah.
So they said, okay, then even then the diagnostic would be good. This was unanimous. And then because in case of emergency and all, they
What
had
sort of people you spoke to? Like, what sort of people?
we spoke to
All the
Almost
trustees.
People on the road, people on the road.
the
People
trustees.
on
We
the road, all
spoke to
these
the people
people in
whom we
the-
were staying
Yeah.
with. We spoke to them. We spoke to even because we went for dinner to another place. Spoke to them. Whoever we met.
Then their
Along
kids
the
actually,
way.
we spoke to the younger guys.
Then we
Okay.
spoke to the younger generation. So they
Hmm.
were very clear that a diagnostic center and some kind of a place where they can have some activities like some Jaman hoy ke some.
Yeah, common.
One of the
Yeah.
younger guys said gym also.
Basically,
Yeah?
somebody said a gym also.
Oh,
But then we said no, gym is like too out of the way. But they were like.
too advanced for them, for
Yeah,
their sort
yeah.
of population.
So they were so like what they do is for gymming, they do it in the house.
Okay.
Terrace where they keep some equipment
They
or
keep some
something like
equipment on the
that.
terrace and they gym because see gymming is now a pretty big thing all across
Correct,
fitness.
correct,
Put it this way, fitness. But there of course it's not something that is viable.
correct.
So that, but what the two main things that everybody spoke about is a diagnostic center and a multi-purpose hall.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Everybody. Like, if I have to ask, what
Different
was the
strata of people.
Yeah, they were just
Strata,
very clear.
age-wise and
They were very clear. If you want to make, then either if you can make both, fantastic. But you make a hall where we can at least come and have some gatherings. There are places, and they were only their little apprehension was that if it is not just directed to one community. So we said,
Oh, so it's open to all, huh?
Open to all. Yeah.
Okay.
If you keep it directed to a
Yeah.
community,
Correct.
it's not going to work. But
Correct.
if you open it up to people, definitely.
And there are many people who have like grown up in Dholka and moved on to Dubai and all
Hmm.
these places.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
they
yeah.
Want to come back and hold some of their ceremonies.
Okay.
in
Yeah,
Dholka.
definitely.
Yes. They want to do
Definitely.
Do it because
There's no nothing available.
Nothing is available. Now even
Mamadi boy.
Mamadi Bhai, his son is getting married. So he sent me a message
Yeah.
that you must come to Dholka and all that. Even he was like, Nani, Kali,
જમાત ખાનામાં
Jamatkhana,
પેલો હોલ જેવો છે તે
it is hardly a hall.
But they made a new mosque there. No, did you see that new mosque?
Fine.
So,
Not. It was not.
No, mosque looks
what
okay,
looks
but
nice, but the Jamatkhana is like.
Not
વોટ
good.
દે મોસ બનાવ્યું ને મસ્જિદ નવરાውን જગા નથી રૂમ નથી બની which is so essential
But auntie, इतनी नानी जगह पर
પણ કઈ બી દિક્કત
पर वो लोगों ने हाँ जगह तो आपने
Maybe they feel that people won't die too much in Dholka. Healthy.
સ્પેશિયલ બનાવે તો બધું બરાબર છે બનાવવું જોઈએ
हाँ, बनाए तो बराबर से।
to find a place and get things done.
That is
Anyway,
it.
tell me go the next thing.
And here we also did some studies on what the Senator Trust has been doing in Dholka. So they've been involved in, of course, the school and
data I took from auntie only.
yeah.
Okay.
This data was provided by UK. Then they facilitated the water lines in Dholka from Ahmedabad. They built boarding school, especially needy orphans and destitute children in 1920. Pioneered the primary school and boarding, teaching both modern education and Islamic studies, and supported the SH school Gujarati medium to metric 11 standard. And no bus system, so it was convenient for villagers in Dholka to send their children to the boarding school to study. And the trust was given educational grants to other primary schools in Dholka. So that's what they've done in Dholka. And
What is that thing on the right? That structure. That structure on the right.
With the grill. With the grill.
No, niche.
this Sheikh Hassan Ali High School Prathmik Shara.
Oh, primary school.
So,
The primary school के बनाओ ना।
પાછળની બાજુ.
अच्छा।
Okay.
Okay, and then this is like our site. So just to orient the lake. This is the school. This is the road, and this is where our plot is.
अच्छा plot.
Okay, and from
The blue is a plot.
The blue,
The blue.
The blue.
and even
Blue line
bleachers
down
will
south.
come.
And this I just wanted to explain that there is this little chhatri which is that heritage thing in ASI. This is roughly 130 meters
From here.
from there. As per ASI rule,
100.
it is 100 meters. So what I've drawn over here, red is the 100 meters, and
Okay.
this is basically showing that we are
Beyond
Oh,
that.
beyond
beyond
that.
that. Only thing is that now, and here I have put the Supreme Court judgment
Okay.
which came in 2010, which says that your 100 meters you are supposed to take from the main structure and not the compound wall.
Okay.
Okay, but now this judgment has come, but it is up to now ASI how they want to
Interpret it.
interpret it and how they do it, whether they want to make life difficult for us, what we don't know. But this is the
This is
rule.
the house.
This is the rule. And this is that chhatri
Yeah, I
over,
know.
over there in the middle of the lake.
So just tell me that whatever you showing in school, the blue is our property,
Yeah.
and what about
There's a big school, no, Hassan?
Hassan Ali school.
Down, below.
Our school
Ah,
is
school. Okay,
our
okay.
school is this is
Ah.
the road.
Then the
Ah,
ground,
right,
say
right.
ground.
And this is
The
Yeah,
property,
yeah, yeah.
boarding
That's
property.
currently our,
Property,
board.
boarding property. Hmm.
So these are some photographs. Now you can see a little bit bigger. This is the school and this is the plot
Okay.
and this is the ground. This one. It was much greener than when we went, so that's the picture.
Okay.
This is just views from across the lake. This
Hmm.
mosque is there. This is that
Chhatri, okay.
This is just I'm talking about the current conditions of the building because in case anybody feels that we already have buildings, let's just repair that and do something.
Correct.
It is not a worthwhile investment. You can see for yourself.
Hmm.
You know how many cracks are there, reinforcement is exposed, buildings have broken, and footings have also sunk. And you know, it's a very sad state, so there's no point in spending any money on that ground.
Because all these trees and all are growing.
Ah,
It's
because
not-
that bathroom and that pipes and water
Yes.
pipes and all
It's in a
gone.
bad shape. See that portion on top, on the right?
I think for about 10 years it's not occupied. About 8 or 10 years.
Yes.
Yeah.
Not occupied at all.
At all, yes.
So even from the inside, you can see how much leakage and all is there. The waterproofing,
The,
all
the entire waterproofing is gone.
terrace is all
It's
broken.
finished.
Okay, and columns at the edge have
Yeah,
big
these are main
cracks.
columns, they all cracked. Even see those columns are
You
all
can see
cracked.
how badly it is broken.
So that was a structure where we had the little our nikah function.
Okay.
Hashim and me were married at the same time, no day.
Okay.
So we had a little function for the people in Dholka, the relatives.
So
And
now coming to our concept, what we thought that there's, after all, you guys are a trust and you're there to obviously help the community and at large, and there is no really, I mean, the school is here. We don't want to antagonize anybody or take something away from them because ultimately it's a school and it is children and children are using that ground.
Hmm.
So we don't want to say mera ground, tera ground, you know, this is our land, your land. We don't want to get into that. So we wanted to create an inclusive design where we are including the children of the school. So the school, we are including the trust, and we are including the locals to come to a design solution which helps everybody, and there's minimum opposition of that. So that's what was the main premise of our design. And second is that we wanted to retain open, of course, get maximum advantage of the views of the lake. And there are trees over here, so we wanted to retain those trees and not cut them. So that's how we felt that we should develop the new building. And this is our main 9-meter road, and there is one small little road which comes
Was of the behind.
the back.
That was primarily a main road. That was the main
Okay.
thing. We never used this. Never used this.
But that is not encroached. No, that's it.
No, not encroachment. because गाड़ी नहीं जाती
But slowly they are
They are coming closer.
Coming closer and they are encroaching.
So what we thought of doing is that we keep the diagnostic center where the current hostel building is, and the trees remain where they are, and the community hall we create here, and this ground which is there, we keep it as a ground for the children to use. So what I thought is that this could be one entry when you're coming now. This entry is not the way that we
Not ideal.
ideal. It can be a pedestrian entry, and it can be a service entry for
Did
the.
you see the grave I sent you? Did you see the grave?
In the near the
I sent you in the
near
one
the
plan
hostel
that I sent you.
building there is one some near round well like thing.
बाजू वाला का नहीं अपना
entrance-
बिल्डिंग
entrance तो
में.
उसका अलग ही कर दिया
I
है।
sent you in the plan. In the plan I sent you.
There must be some like a
It
little.
showed grave is shown. Yeah. All the plans that I sent you.
She
no?
had sent it to me. So there was a small little portion which is okay because that is not interfering with our design, so it didn't bother. I
It's
didn't
okay.
bother.
Okay, interview with your design. Interview with your design.
It is it is between
No,
the
that's right.
hostel
The
building.
main hostel building.
It's between the
and
hostel building and the community hall.
And
Like
the
yeah, that
entrance.
office. Huh.
No,
Little
right.
more there
Yeah,
towards.
yeah.
No.
No, on this side.
Right. Huh. Yes.
Yeah.
Little inside.
Right.
Yeah. Correct. There.
Yeah.
No,
there.
not there. Not there. It's somewhere there.
Achha, where is the
Yeah.
entry? Where is the entry on the rear entry? Where is the rear entry?
No.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
there.
yeah,
It's
it's
exactly.
there, it's
It's
there.
there only. It's not going to affect so much of the design only. Because primarily we will have to take the road from the ground. The other side where we are entering will be our service
We
entry.
can't use that road, that lake road.
Lake Road
direct वाले.
maybe on a later day.
એ લોકો કા બંધ કરેલું છે?
બંધ નથી એક આપણું wicket gate છે.
છે
There's a
ને,
gate.
wicker gate છે ને. હા.
There's a gate.
Can't use that
Okay.
gate.
So what I thought we could do is that we could enter from here,
No.
and we split the building into two parts,
Yeah.
and we can go through and get a glimpse of the landscape beyond, and you can see the diagnostic center. So this is one line of movement, and then from here it can be pedestrian or service for the kitchen, and this whole thing is opened out to the lake. So
Just sorry, I can't get my thing. Wait. Just tell me now, where is the lake now? You're in that?
This blue.
This blue
That
one.
blue is the lake, okay. So that building, the original building which is there, the hostel building, will remain there only.
Hostel is this one?
It's there.
That will be the diagnostic center,
That
right?
Yes.
in that area we make the diagnostic
Okay,
center,
okay.
and where the existing
The kitchen and all this
all
will
that
be the hall.
No, the hall is the hall only.
The older hall.
Hall is the
hall.
hall only. And this portion which is the service kitchen
Ah.
is actually also that structure which is
Gone, crumbling.
So what principally what we did was we maintained the same spots.
Okay,
Okay.
I understand.
We
So
are
that-
not
because of
Changing
the
much of that.
because the trees and all are
Yeah.
in the center. It's like
and plus
forming a
if we
courtyard.
want we can always use that plinth and say that we are just repairing.
We are just
Okay,
repairing.
okay.
So
And
it
this-
is predominantly to show that it's a repair.
Repair.
So no way will we show that we are building a
Being
new
new
structure.
structure.
So we haven't changed the footprint.
I know.
We have just little bit we have
Okay.
manipulated the
Okay.
design.
Okay.
So now this is the entry on where you would come piche se,
Huh?
and this what we have done is we made a hall
Hmm.
and we made the kitchen on this side with a gap in the middle.
Yeah.
And we kept I'll explain to you the,
So you will understand the views.
yeah, I think,
Yeah, because or this also
no,
No, she will understand it. And you will understand from the view or from the section.
I think I'll explain.
The view.
First, I will go straight to the view. Usually, we use that for the last.
Yeah, we'll go straight to the view.
The diagnostic center also. Okay, this is what it looks like.
Hmm.
So this is from where you will come
Hmm.
and go through. So you will see the diagnostic center at the back,
Hmm.
and this is the hall. This bit,
Okay.
and this is the first floor of the hall, and the kitchen is on this side. So as you walk
This is the
straight,
wall. This
you are
is
right
this
in
is
the
our
kitchen.
boundary wall where the children are playing.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay,
This
okay.
is the boundary.
Okay.
And what this is, this patch that you see, that's
Yeah.
the existing building over there.
Okay.
This is when you enter
Mhm.
from the pedestrian side.
Hmm.
This is what you will see.
Outside. Okay.
This is the wall that we have made to the service of the kitchen is on the
Hmm.
other side, and it gets screened. And this is your hall on this side with the lake views there on that end.
These trees are not there. No, this is what you have
They are
created.
there.
They have not changed the position of the tree. Trees are different, but the trees
Position.
position
Position.
is
We
the
have
same.
removed some trees because otherwise the building
You
will
cannot
get
see
covered,
it.
we'll not be able to show it. But otherwise the trees are
We
there.
are not removing the trees. For the view, we have kept. the
Achha,
tree.
now this on the right is a diagnostic center.
This is the diagnostic center now. We
The
are
right.
now at the lake side. If we are at the lake side, then your hall will be on the right and the diagnostic
Oh,
will
okay.
be on the left.
This is the hall.
This side is
This is the hall.
Community hall. Nah, that.
and this is the
The other floor, first floor also.
yeah.
So first floor also is the hall
And
only.
what is this brick thing you have made there, like a jali thing?
This we have made it in brick for light to come through. This is
Okay.
now the diagnostic center.
Achha, okay.
And diagnostic center you need very little windows because we have MRI, you have
Yeah, yeah.
you have a controlled environment.
Okay.
So only very little we have kept.
Okay.
So this is when you walk. So this is what I've done when you are walking
Through that land, through that open land.
Yeah, from the school side.
Yeah.
Hmm.
We have developed a playground for the children.
Okay.
And these are the steps on which you can sit and you can
You just watch.
Okay, like an arena thing. Huh.
But it becomes a part of the building.
Achha, at the behind.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Understand.
yeah, so this is
Okay.
what it is. This
Nice.
is the ground, and
Yeah.
this is the children used to play cricket, so I've given the
Pitch
nets
and all.
you can put the net,
Okay.
the actual dimensions of the
The,
pitch
the
fit.
pitch.
Okay.
And this is some athletics you can do, long jump, high jump, something like that, so that is fitting in this thing.
Hmm.
And some track events
Okay.
you can do. Plus what I thought that if you take the steps up,
Huh.
you sit on the steps
Huh.
and you have this terrace over here.
Huh.
So that terrace can be used by little kids to play on
On top.
first floor.
Okay, first floor.
And we put a.
Yeah, that's
You
it.
put the railing, you know those little seesaws that you get.
Ha, ha, ha.
on the floor,
Okay.
Something like that, or something.
And next to that is the
The other structure next to
next
the
that is
terrace.
the hall.
No, no.
Yeah, so now this is the diagnostic center.
Yeah,
This
and-
is the lake.
Hmm.
Yeah.
This is the hall.
Yeah. Okay.
This is the playground. That side is the school.
Okay.
And this is the road in between. This side is the pedestrian end.
Okay.
Okay.
So see,
आज
your
center में तो मैं
no,
now you can see
where
the
you're,
trees.
where you're showing your this thing that there the grave is there.
Here.
There,
Yeah.
yes, it is.
It's like an L-shaped property, no? Like sort of an L, not
Yeah.
L, whatever.
So this was just to explain to you that we try to include everybody and given something for everybody, and so that nobody feels that we are taking something away from them. In fact, we are giving them
Better
more,
places,
They
better
are really
than
better fit.
what they have.
Even the children can, if they play on the ground, plus as that little extra of the building which comes, which is, because if you see, there's a contour, there's a difference.
Correct.
between The ground is little lower,
Huh.
and then
Our ground be up for weddings and all.
of course,
Yeah.
yes.
Correct.
So what happens that when you integrate both, So somebody wants to have a
In the hall as
hall-
well as the
Both-
ground.
both-
you
both
charge them
areas.
separately for the hall.
Both areas.
Yeah, and there's a little difference.
And what happens that when you're having weddings and stuff, the way we have planned the hall, I'll just show you.
For ladies and gents and
Yeah,
everything.
sorry. I don't know. So, if you can understand, I have cut the building now, and this is the ground. This is chaps play cricket,
Yeah.
and these are the
The steps,
people are
yes,
sitting
yes,
and
yeah,
watching. And then here you have your terrace where
Yeah.
kids can play.
Yeah.
And here under the steps, because the height is limited, you can keep your sports equipment. School will have something. And then here is your hall,
Okay.
where we keep the men. Okay, and so this is the hall where there are the men. You can take
Yeah.
the steps up, and this is the hall for the women.
Okay.
And the women का जो hall है, that connects with this terrace. So when there are kids and they are come for the shadi, kids are always
Okay.
happening. So they can always
Go,
use
yeah,
the
yeah.
terrace and play and come
And
down.
what's on that side? What's on that side?
This side is the
No,
breakup.
top, on the top.
This,
No,
This?
yeah.
this way, this is the terrace for the kitchen.
Oh, the kitchen to slab is there. So that is
So
that's
there
a
you
block.
have to put all your services because you ultimately have to air condition and all that.
If
So
you
your
want to air
condenser
condition, so you
units
can
and-
keep your machines, or
No,
you
no,
can
solar panels will come.
you can if you want to give a solar panel. If that is all for the future. If you want to do
But
all,
there's a terrace there.
it's a terrace
Yeah.
because automatically terrace to bana hua
Yeah,
hai
but-
person slab
So,
house
there,
is
so this is
terrace.
the gap from where you will come through.
Yeah, and
So
then you
left side में men's hall, you go up and women's hall, and right side में I told you kitchen.
And
So
what
वो
about-
kitchen का जो terrace है,
हाँ.
that will be used to keep all your
All-
equipment and all that, your exhaust, ये वो सब आएगा. And this, so that's how we had planned.
And this is exactly the place where it is now.
where it is now.
yeah, we have not changed the positions.
Height will be exactly the same height that
No,
it is now,
we are-
or we go up one
We are
floor up.
increased the
Height.
by one.
Okay.
No, meaning it is ground level one, no?
No, it is ground, only
Which
ground.
one?
The hall is only
and
ground.
the terrace.
The
And terrace.
ground, the ground. What is ground? It's a very high.
Ceiling.
Heights are behind.
So what we have done is, in effect, if you look at the total dimensions of the thing, we may be about 3 feet higher than the existing one.
Or that way.
Yeah.
You
And
know,
this
height, temple વધારે હતું.
ઘણું high.
ઘણું high હતું. So what we have done is we have made that into the 2 parts, but what we have done is because of the 2 parts, it's gone a little higher. It's not like big.
Very high, much
It's not very high because we want to.
Lakeview.
Lake view is the main thing because the lake view is beautiful. He's taking some photographs over there of the lake view.
So anyway, this was just some construction ideas that we had. If you would like to do
What is
something.
this? What is this place now?
This is an image of
The hall.
no. This is a
Of the
another
diagnostic
reference image, another building.
Acha, okay.
But I just wanted to show you
Okay,
the
okay.
ceiling,
Acha, how
which we
you
would
are.
like to do.
No.
So
It is
this what we
inbuilt-
do is that
What is the advantage of having like this?
it keeps the inside cool.
Cool. Okay.
Because it traps air. These pots, earthen pots,
Uh-huh.
they trap the air and they provide the insulation. The maximum heat gain is from the ceiling.
Yeah. You want to take it later?
Taro se. Okay.
So maximum heat gain is from always the roof.
Roof.
So if you can do something in the slab, then you can keep the inside.
So our slab but ingrained are it?
हाँ जी, हाँ. You have to.
Is ingrained in the slab.
Yes.
Yes. So
आज
you
है
put
ने
these pots like this.
बुरहानपुर में this is an idea which this guy Murtuza Bhai had given when he did Maulana's bungalow in Burhanpur. He used a similar kind of a concept to see that because the extreme climates. No?
Yeah.
So when it insulates. Basically, it's an insulation.
Okay.
So it is built within. These are all mostly they are vernacular kind of architecture.
Construction techniques, but they have been better.
Better than
They
the.
have been- yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay.
what Murtuza did was that he put the pots and covered it from all sides. What we are trying to do is we will show it outside and we can light it up. Inside.
Okay.
So it looks kind of nice. And the second thing we were doing is what we
So
call
this is
cat-
inverted. This is inverted.
Yes.
The pot is inverted.
Yeah, see here.
Uh-huh.
ऐसा उल्टा
अच्छा
रखा
okay.
है
Okay.
और
No,
फिर
there,
उसको कंक्रीट पोर
no,
करते
there
हैं.
it is open. This is this side. Those two pots.
ये फोटो
No, that-
ऊपर से है
अच्छा okay.
और ये फोटो
नीचे
नीचे
से
से है.
Okay. Okay.
And
good idea.
another thing that
Nice.
you can employ is
Looks
cavity
nice.
walls where you have double wall construction.
Mhm.
So that again traps the air in the
Insulates, yeah.
middle and it insulates one, and second it protects against leakage and all
Leakage.
that also. So that also you can adopt. And so what happens is that I'm not saying that we are going to have natural ventilation now, because ultimately people like to have air
Yes, yes.
conditioning. So, but it reduces the air conditioning load. Because the temperature difference is not
Not
that
so high.
much. You've already done your
Yeah.
envelope में जो आप
Hmm.
heating
हाँ.
envelope में what
हाँ,
you do,
हाँ.
you already done it. So power consumption etc. will be less
Hello, that's true.
that way.
That's true.
So this is just what I wanted to explain. This is the when you come through, this is the entry. You have the men's hall. You can take the steps up and come to the
Ladies section.
You take the steps up, you come to the women's hall. There is a toilet, and this is the terrace
Ah,
for the equipment.
utilities, yeah.
Yeah, and this is the terrace to play,
Mhm.
and you can come down or sit on these steps, and then you come to the ground. So that's the scheme.
Hmm.
One more thing.
Actually, you're not providing for